Thank you. There's no longer a chairman or anything. The chairman is the electoral, the Hard Rock Independent Commission chairperson, Council Mandu, and members of the Zambia We Want, and the media team. Welcome to the Secretariat of the Zambia We Want. We, as a technical committee of the NLC, who have now officially been dissolved, so we have no local standard as we stand today. However, because the substantive Secretary General is not with us, the mother is unwell, he's taken the mother to the hospital, I want just to, on behalf of the colleagues from the technical team, welcome you, Chair, and the Secretariat and the media to perform your duty as a chairperson for the Hard Rock Independent Commission. Welcome, and over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Chair, for the technical committee. I think as mentioned, my name is Mwani Msama. I'm a lawyer representing the Law Association of Zambia, nominated to be part of the ad hoc electoral commission of the Zambia We Want Party. So my role today is basically just to announce the successful applications for the various National Leadership Council positions and the party president position. So the process started sometime last week with the appointment of the Independent Electoral Commission, which followed with the advertisement for various positions in the party, the receipt of applications, which closed yesterday. The vetting of the application was done by the Independent Electoral Commission, and now what we are doing today is announcement of the successful applications. So I'll just go straight into the announcement of the successful applications. In front of me are the 2 ballot boxes where candidates were depositing their applications. I'll start with the National Leadership Council positions. We received a total of 26 applications for various positions. And out of these applications, 14 of the positions only had 1 applicant. Yes. Then the other positions had a number of applications. I'll just give a summary, quick summary. So, thank you. So I'll start with the chairperson for under defense. There were a total of 2 applications.